In this video, I will show you how to do the chain cast on. This way of doing the cast on, it's very good and popular in many patterns, so it's good to know it. And there's a few different ways to do it. Obviously, you can do it with your hands or with a crochet hook. And here's how to do it. Tie a slip knot, put it on the outside peg, and tie it again, and here is how I do it with a crochet hook. So you make a loop next to the peg that you just tied, and you put it behind the first peg like this, and with the working yarn you have to go through this hole and tie it around the peg. That's the method with using your hands. If you would like to use a crochet hook, as I prefer to do it, you just wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and take it through the hole in the back and tie the yarn again. You go behind the next peg with the loop, and you pull the thread through the hole and tie it again, and then again with the next loop, and a few more times. Obviously with the crochet hook is faster, but if you don't have one, you can also use your fingers. This is a very good method because it has this beautiful stitches in the back that kind of look like a chain or a V shape. And with the last stitch, you just put it on the last peg and tie the yarn again. And here it is. Chain cast on. Thank you for watching. If you like to support me, please like, subscribe, or comment. See you in the next video.